Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Rashri Kaushik, and here I heartily welcome you all on my channel. It's your own channel, so first go like, because when you like it make me feel so happy. Actually, it's make me feel proud because I thought that the work which I do, it's really working, and you all are getting something precious in my videos. So let's start our class. In today's class, we're gonna discussing class 12th chapter Human Health and Diseases, which is quite important for all who are preparing for board or NEET exams. So today's class is so important. Make sure that you make notes from it, and hope you get better from this session. So let's start our class. So the first question is arises that what is health? So let's know what is health. So according to WHO, a person who is well physically, mentally or behaviorally are said to be fit or fine. It means to say that a person who is well in his physical appearance as well as in mental or behavioral are said to be fit and fine in all way. It means that there is no regarding issue in three statements like physically, mentally and behaviorally. Now let's move on to the factor which affects our health. The first point is that the genetically disorders which come from our ancestors or our previous generations. Don't laugh on my writing because I am using a pen, a digital pen, so it makes my writing so ugly, but I have a very beautiful writing. So if you have questions regarding my writing, so put on a comment regarding this. Our second topic is behavior, or third is the lifestyle. So these are the three factors which determines our health, that our health is good or bad. So let's discuss in detail about it. So genetic disorder is that kind of disorder which we get from our previous generations, like from father or from grandfather or from grandfather's father, okay, or by infections like contaminated food or by contaminated water, or by lifestyles. I want to say that we all time eating more healthy food less where compared to more in junk food. So we always eating junk types of food which cause diseases, and not only eating junk food but like we eating very fast and eating like monkey and all that, and like we are eating foods and we don't doing any kinds of exercise, so it may be caused disease also, because these are lackness which causes the disease, which invites disease in our body. So we have to do regular exercises, eat balanced diet and healthy foods. So now let's know about the steps which maintains our health. The first is balanced diet, means we always have to take minimum amounts of all nutritions in our plate, like we have to eat protein, carbohydrates and enzymes in minimum amounts which required for our body. Then second is personal hygiene, means we always have to take care of body in proper hygienes. Third is awareness about diseases, like we all have to aware about the disease, like which pathogen is responsible for the causes of these diseases. So let's take an example of typhoid, which is causes by bacteria Salmonella typhi. So in this term we can know that, aware that about diseases. So our next and last one is the proper disposal of waste, maintain hygiene of food and water resources. So these are the 2 points which are more important in our day-to-day life. Like we should always have to be dispose our waste in a proper way. for wasting disposal, we usually make a dung where we place our waste. So this is the best method to place the dungs. And the last point is maintain hygiene of food and water resources. Means to say that cover the food very clearly and in hygiene proof, and water resources means they must be kept clean and in clean container or unsealed or covered with a pallet, and which makes our water hygiene proof. So that's all. So today's class is just a basic of this chapter. In next session I am coming with the depth of these all facts. So for all, thanks for watching. If you are new, then go and subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Bye, take care.